Hello, my name is Kathy. I'm an art teacher and my website is called Art Projects for Kids. Today I've created a drawing video to show you how to draw George Washington. It's not that hard to make him look like he does on our dollar bill. Let me show you how. Before you begin, you need to gather your art supplies of a pencil, marker, and crayons. You can also download this free matching tutorial from my website. I always recommend making folded guidelines on your paper before you start to draw. Most of the time 2 folds are good, but this time 4 are actually helpful. Watch how I fold an extra time in both directions, so I end up with a total of 16 boxes instead of just 4. They really do help, and you don't have to worry about erasing them when you're done. If there's any difficulty with this, no worries. My download also has a 16-box template that you can print out too. Step number 1. The side of the face is going to have a large curve that starts here and ends here. Putting some dots down first will really help you get off to an accurate start. Now connect those 2 dots with a line that goes down and over to the chin and then up to the dot you just made. Step number 2. For the top of the head, draw a curve that goes across and then down and connects to where you started. Step number 3, draw 2 lines like this for the neck, one that is straight down and one that angles a bit. The right side gets 2 curved lines for a collar and an edge for the jacket, and then a shoulder line. On the left side, draw a shorter collar and a jacket edge and another shoulder line. Step number 4. The shirt is made with 2 curved lines on the neck and then wavy lines coming down from it. Step number 5. Now for George's hair, which is how men wore it back in the day. Draw a line across his forehead that goes down to his cheek and then back up. Go back to the left side and draw the top of his hair that comes down and ends with some small bumps. Now, draw the hair on the left side of his head with the same kind of bumps at the bottom. Step number 6. Now you can erase the line inside the hair so it looks like the hair is in front. Add some curvy lines on the right side so it looks like he has some curls. And then do the same on the left side. Now add a few skinny rectangles in the back for the hair ties that were probably pretty fashionable back then. Step number 7. Okay, it's time to plan for those eyes. Draw 4 dots to plan where you want them to go. Notice that they sit near the left side of the head. Draw the outer shape for the right eye, and then do the same for the left. Now add the iris and pupils inside each eye. They should look like they are tucked just a bit up under that top eyelid. Step number 8. Add 2 curved lines for the edges of the eyelids. Now draw the side view of a nose. Note that it's very close to that left eye. Next, draw an eyebrow on the right and one on the left side. To finish the eyes, just add a couple of lines for wrinkles. Draw a mouth starting with 2 dots, connecting them with a straight line, and then adding a lip line above and one below. Step number 9. Okay, George is all drawn, so it's time to trace over all those pencil lines really carefully with a black marker. Remember, tracing slowly will always give you your best results. When you're done tracing, it's a good idea to clean up your drawing and erase any extra pencil lines that you might still see. And now it's finally coloring time. George's hair needs to be some sort of shade of light gray. And his eyebrows are the same color. You can use the black marker and a blue crayon to color in his eyes. And a peach crayon will work great for his skin. Be sure to press hard so this light color really shows up. Next, I'm coloring the things that are black, which include the hair ties in the back and his jacket. You know, pressing hard here too is also a good idea. A dark black jacket will add lots of contrast to your drawing. Okay then, this George Washington drawing is all done. You know, I hope you've learned a little bit more about drawing faces and how to draw an older one from before our time. It's a really great way to honor the memory of this amazing man. Thank you so much for following along with me today, and I hope you've enjoyed this George Washington tutorial video. Please check out my website, Art Projects for Kids, for more step-by-step tutorials like this one. You'll find one for how to draw Abraham Lincoln and how to draw Martin Luther King. I'll see you next time, and I hope you keep on drawing.